What's up, guys? Terrence here. Today I'm going to show you guys just a quick update on the Nova, what I'm doing to it as I prep to get it ready for the track, and the things that I'm doing right now. Okay, I got this door. Somebody's supposed to be coming to pick this door up for me. The screen door I don't need. But jacked up. About to remove the rear end from this thing, guys. This is a nice 12-bolt rear end in here. I'm about to take it out, putting an amazing rear end in here. I was going to change the fluid until somebody called me with a super good deal on a rear end. A very, very, very expensive rear end. I'm getting it for a decent price. Still expensive, but swapping this boy out for a monster. As I told you guys, from the first drive, it was overheating, so took the straight fan out and took the radiator out, removed the radiator. We got antifreeze all on the floor. Removed the radiator and mounted this electric fan. Very nice electric fan, guys. Powerful electric fan on here. I think it's 18 inches in diameter. This should cool off a whole lot. Yeah, so I'm doing that right now. Just mounted the relay here, prepping everything. Gonna put me a little harness on it. Got my little inline fuse here, positioned through here. So just wiring this up, guys. Then we're gonna have a switch in the car. Show you guys the switch I'm using. It's got a 20 amp. Blue as in cool, so cool down. So just doing that right now, guys. Finish this up in a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. So we're gonna keep this thing all the way cool now, installing this electric fan. Okay, guys, I'm pretty much done. I gotta bolt the radiator back in. There's a bracket go here, and one go here. So put that in, then I gotta get the tube to run to here. And but the relay is installed. I got a smart fuse, 30 amp smart fuse. It glows when it blows. Got the harness running across here, coming out of there, running through here. There for got my grounds. Relay is here. Got another harness. That harness runs alongside of there. This harness runs to the inside. I ran it along here to the switches. But yeah, I may put a little piece of harness here. I got a piece left to run there. I want it to kind of be clean. Fan is all mounted in perfectly. I want to do this in one step, guys. I want to show you guys before I even touch it, to see if I did another flawless job. Let me show you guys the switch. I just finished wiring it up. Use the test light to get another 12-volt source. Using blue for cool switch, and the red is for the MSD. To keep that thing cool, to keep that temperature down. So let's hook the battery up, turn the key forward, and let's see what we got. We're gonna do all this in one motion, guys. We're gonna just install. We're gonna connect one battery. See, that battery's not connected. Let's connect this one. I'll turn the key forward. All in one motion, guys. Let's see what we got. Key forward. We got power. Okay, let's go to zone. Let's see. Lights up. Oh, hit the fan. Oh wow, that thing is going hard. Yeah, you feel the air way back here. We're gonna be cool now, guys. Real cool. I put a piece of harness here just to be real clean. And that's it. Maybe flawless job. So I'm gonna put the braces on. I'm gonna fill this back up. The green cooler. Oh wow, that thing is going hard. Man, that thing is going hard, guys. Nice. Nice. Let's turn it back off. Fans going off. Turn the key back. Alright, so okay guys, I got another video. Let me turn this light off. If you're not familiar with installing relays, guys, I install electric fans and aluminum radiator in my 92 Camaro, and I show how to install the relay switch. You can find them anywhere. They're all over the place. Real simple, easy installation. But yeah, I'm pretty much done with this. I'm putting braces on, some green coolant in this thing, and the next video, guys, I'll be installing an incredible rear end in the back of this thing. We're putting an amazing rear end. I'm gonna leave the wheels on when we drop it. Prepare for the track, and I think 41. The track we're gonna be at a lot is 41. We're gonna go to 41, guys, and we should be there within a couple weeks. Kind of rear end set me back. My brother's car ready to go. My little brother's car is almost done. So stay tuned for all this amazing content. We're moving this rear end, putting that 49-inch. It's a monster of a rear end, guys. A monster of a rear end. Came out of a 8-second car, and I'm excited to get it in here. And I got them disc brakes in the back finally now. Disc brakes. I got disc in the front, and we got disc in the back now. Got disc in the front, and you have disc in the back. So stay tuned for all this amazing content I'm posting, guys. If you found this video entertaining, not so much helpful, it wasn't a how-to, and you just want to follow the channel for all the dope content I'll be posting, guys, subscribe to the channel. Terrence, and I'm out.